Hello everyone, my name is Makul Etezadi and I am excited to share this video with you from Iran. I am honored to present my innovative project that addresses a critical need in respiratory health. My invention, the cough-sensitive humidifier with the ability to differentiate between dry and productive coughs, is designed to help people suffering from respiratory problems. Respiratory diseases are a major global health crisis, affecting millions of people worldwide. According to statistics, the number of people suffering from respiratory diseases are increasing significantly. The World Health Organization reports that over 300 million people globally suffer from asthma, and more than 250 million people are affected by chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, most commonly known by its short form COPD. A common sign of respiratory diseases is coughing, and a major problem associated with coughing is disrupted sleep. Studies have shown that nighttime coughing can lead to frequent awakenings, poor quality of sleep, and consequently daytime fatigue and reduced productivity. Dry air can irritate the respiratory tract, leading to frequent coughing. My proposed device activates automatically upon the detection of the sound of coughs, effectively solving these issues. This device immediately identifies the sound of a cough, increasing the humidity in the air, while at the same time releasing predetermined medication or essential oils, and in this way enhancing the condition of the individual's health. Additionally, it prevents the device from operating continuously when not needed, reducing energy consumption and noise pollution. By distinguishing between dry and productive coughs, the device can automatically and appropriately release predetermined medication or essential oils. This feature aids in faster and more comfortable relief, as it reduces the need for manual and frequent adjustments, leading to a better quality of sleep. Furthermore, the device's ability to release substances in the direction of the cough provides more effective relief and prevents wastage of substances by not dispersing them unnecessarily. By accurately detecting the direction of the cough, the device can direct the substances to the area of the room that needs the most moisture and treatment. Thus, this humidifier not only provides greater comfort and health benefits for users, but also optimizes resource usage, reducing ongoing costs. For effective use of this device, the individuals need to be familiar with the sensitive and cough-prone respiratory system. Initially, the user fills the device's reservoirs with selected materials. By connecting the device to a smartphone via Bluetooth, the user can specify the device's actions when detecting productive or dry coughs, choosing to use essential oils, medications, or simply steam as needed. Upon detecting a cough, the chosen material is released in the direction of the cough. Users can view a daily health report on their smartphone, including the time, type, and number of the coughs, providing valuable insights into their respiratory health. Thank you for watching.